My name is Drew Stowell, and this is my game, the Conqueror. What we uh, basically did was have a sort of, a Conqueror style game. These four bits are our capitals. Um, the grid is divided into squares with many different resources on them. I use Lego pieces and Monopoly money to track buildings, roads, what resources we had. This is farther into the game. After explaining all of the rules for the game, which include unit movement, building placement. I mean, how many settlers, which are these tall guys, and workers, which are these little guys. The workers can build roads. The settlers make settlements. The whole deal with the map. How many and how much of what resources you need to build what buildings, as well as what tiles you can and can't build on. You need roads to continue building and to gather resources. You need bridges to go over rivers. And then we started using them. We use a lot of the Monopoly money to show what we were doing. The green here is for wood resource. This yellow is for food resource, and white is for stone. And then we had used the other colors to track our excess of resources after our stockpiling. We used these little base plates from Dungeons and Dragons miniatures to as roads. And, here's a better view of the map. Here's a little house that I built on some food. Right here, this is some animals. These are for food. Right, this is a grain or wheat, which is also food. These big pieces around here are forests to gather for wood, and these are mountain ranges for stone. The wriggly ones that look like roads are actually rivers running throughout the game. Here, this is mine, and I built a road running across and a bridge across the river so I could build a settlement here. This is another player who has gotten a lot farther along because of the sheer amount of resources that they gathered. This other player is about these other two players are about at the same rate as I am, but they're a little bit slower at picking up on the rules. You can see the amounts of money over here has been increasing, or resources. And here's the white one that I was talking about earlier. The mountains ranges here give stone, the forests give wood, these give food, obviously, and then you need a certain amount to build. Like you need 2 food to start a settlement for one of these settlers. You need 4 food to create a settler, 2 food to create a worker, one of these guys. And then with buildings and such, you need 1 wood, 1 stone to create a road, 2 wood, 1 stone to build a wooden house, 2 stone, 1 wood to build a stone house, 1 wood, 3 stone to build a bridge, etc., etc. There are also special building types such as woodcutter, farm, quarry, and grain silo. The woodcutters, farm, and quarry, if built on the corresponding tiles, actually double the production of that resource. The grain silo halves the amount of food that your units consume. And here is about our final step, that we got these tiles here, which represent farms. There's my house and a city I have, and here's another city. Everybody started getting a lot farther along and gathering a lot more resources as we went along. I did have to change a few things, like the settlers can move 4 squares away from a settlement, and I also changed that the roads increase your unit speed so that you can walk around a little bit faster. And that's the basic explanation of Conqueror and what we have been doing.